cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. Right now, as we speak, there's a live pursuit happening right now. There's 3 to 4 choppers in the sky. I believe the guy is right now in Compton. A lot of cops have been passing by right now, just smashing.
And he's taking the pedestrian path to...
There, he just crashed a gate right now. He's on his way right now through some park in the city of Huntington Park. We got the choppers in the sky right now. He's close by. Oh damn, he's coming right here. There he goes. God damn. Southgate Patrol, baby, damn. And then that's the last one closing down everything, so they're on their way right now that way. Sheesh. Alright guys, so he's on his way right now down to Firestone. He made a left right now. We got the helicopters on top as we speak right now. There's helicopters all over the place right now. The cops are just going straight right now. We got cops trying to close everything down over there. We got the helicopters following him as we speak. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top. We got the guy with the scooter coming right by. Oh, what the? You gotta love Southgate. There's a lot of crazy shit going on right now. Alright, so he's still actually on pursuit right now. He's actually smashing. Has picked up the pace. He had done this earlier. Check it out. He just crashed into that by some park. Alright guys, so the pursuit started at 5. It's almost 7 and Southgate PD is still following them. They don't want anybody else to follow them but them. Damn. I want to know how much gas this motherfucker has. Alright guys, so basically I was already in Downey. I was having some lunch right now and I was watching the news. Literally it's coming our way again, the pursuit, guys. It's crazy. Here comes the helicopters, look. Oh shit, we're getting close, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 helicopters coming this way. So the chase should be coming down this street right here, which is down Long Beach right now. Hey, pull over! I tried to get him to pull over. We got another police officer right there. Oh damn. I have never been so involved into a chase like this. It is crazy. Alright guys, so right now we're basically on pursuit of the pursuit, if it makes any fucking sense. This guy's been going left and right in Southgate, Huntington Park, all over the place. ¿Qué está haciendo la muchacha, ma?
La muchacha va a un lado y él va sin camisa y la está jalando.
Se está encuerando.
Se está encuerando.
Mama Fresh for the win right here, giving us directions on the ground. She's like basically my police scanner. So we're heading to Pacific right now, guys, because this is where all the choppers are. Alright guys, so right now we're still on pursuit right now. I'm getting intel right now on text messages that they're trying to do the pit maneuver on him, but this guy is very smart. He doesn't let the cops get him. What the hell's going on right here? I've been in pursuit with this guy for like 20 minutes, me and Pookie, and we feel like we had a connection with this guy and we kind of know him and understand him. What did you say, that he was a guy? He was a what?
A takeover guy.
She said that he's one of the guys that shows up to the takeovers.
25 miles an hour. He's getting off the freeway here, and they're going to tell me what the off-ramp is, and we'll find out where he's going. He's at Nogales, the Nogales exit off of the eastbound 60. Whoa, he really ran through there and came very close to a couple of vehicles that were just traveling. He made that very hazardous right turn. See, not between himself and the pursuing law enforcement helicopter.
Yeah, he's back in sheriff territory,
space.
so I'm sure they've been on the radio putting Walnut Station.
Okay, he's bailed out of the car. He's bailed out, and there's a pursuing law enforcement vehicle. This is some sort of a business here. We don't know what it is. We're going to circle around, see if we can get to find out what it is that he's trying to run into and if he made it inside. This big building here, this is a parking lot, some sort of a business. It could be a grocery store. It's a 99-cent store, I'm being told in my ear, in the city of Industry. A parking space, ran in. Look at all the people running out of the building now. Look at all those people running out of that 99-cent store. And is that your suspect right there? Can we zoom in tighter?
Yeah, the suspect did put on some additional clothing as he was bare-chested before, but now he put on a long black sleeve shirt.
Yep, didn't work.
Nope. It never does, Mark.
It never does.
Alright guys, so we made it to the final destination. There's the vehicle, the guy's already in custody. Alright, so the cops are actually checking his shit out right now. Make sure that everything, whatever he had inside. They couldn't really see him earlier because he had the tinted ass windows. We got the news people out here. So we got Channel 9 right here. They're interviewing this guy right here to see how that's going.
Where you were and what you saw?
Well, we were inside the store, my wife and I, when one of the officers get into the store, start yelling, get in the ground, get in the ground, and everybody started getting in the ground. There was about 5 people in the alley that we were. So my wife, another 2 ladies, and a man, so the kid, and myself, the ground. The officer keeps yelling, get in the ground, get in the ground, get in the ground. And then one of the ladies that worked in the store.
Like I said, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. We're concluding the video right here. The pursuit ended up right here. How low can you go? How low can you go? They're about to tow the suspect's vehicle right now. That famous little Honda right there. Hey guys, in Hondas for the gas win. This fool was driving like 3.5 hours and fucking finally ended up running into the gas and came here to the 99, as you can see. But it's just crazy, dude. I was like, when is this fool gonna stop running?